Oh, what happened? Roxy, be nice. Come on.
Jolie,
There's little Tasha. Hi, Tasha. Oh, Sammy here. Oh, wait, get out of the way from Uncle Sam. Come here, my socks. Oh, yeah, Sammy gets grumpy, doesn't he? Hey, Jackman. Where's Jackman? Jackman. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Hey, hey, you guys. Off my rug. Joey, come here. Joe, bring him over here. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe.
this way. No, puppy.
There's little Jackman. There's Miss. Oh, there's little black girl. Come here, Sable girl. Come on. There she is. Come here. Come here, Tashi. Hey, Miss Zeta Jones. But there she goes. Tasha likes playing with him. Oh, there he goes. Where you going? There she goes again.
Oh, here. This way.
Come here. Jenny. Oh, hey, leave the cords alone.
You two have sex bellies. Go.
Oh, she's so funny. Joey, come here. Bring him out. Come on, Jolie. Jolie, come here, Joe. Joey, come here. Come on, Joe. Bring him out. Bring him out. There she goes. Oh, there goes. Tommy, come here. Out of the way. Tommy, out of the way. Roxy, it's not your, Roxy, you don't need to teach. Come here, Rox. Come on, Rox. Hi there, little Jackman. Hi. Hey, Miss Socks. Miss Socks. Oh, she went around that way.
What?
The little socks. Miss Socks. Oh, Zeta. Come on, Zeta. Hi. There's Tasha again. And Miss Zeta. Oh, and there goes Jackman. Where's the little socks girl? She went into the dining room, Mom. Oh, here she comes. Woo! Hi, little boy.
Uptown Can, but it is
25 in Charlotte right now. And the teens in Boone are back for the win.
Where's the little sable? Oh, there she is.
It's going to be a chilly day again. We'll be slowly warming up. It will stay dry in Charlotte for this weekend, but we'll see in the mountains. We'll see
Come here.
tonight. Continuing
Come here, puppies.
about an inch of snow late tonight into early Sunday morning. For Sunday, the next chance for rain arrives on Tuesday.
Where's your buddies? Miss, oh, here she comes. Sammy, leave her alone. Don't scare her.
She was okay, and she found her kids out in the yard, lost in the dark, and all the debris. All of her children had cuts and bruises. People were rushed to the hospital after that tornado.
This one's wild. Come here, Socks. There she comes.